Ability. He has the ability to solve difficult problems. Achieve. She worked hard to achieve her goals. Active. He is an active member of the community. Add. Please add your name to the list. Advice. She gave me good advice about my career. Agree. I agree with your opinion. Amazing. The view from the mountain is amazing. Amount. They received a large amount of money. Answer. She gave a clear answer to the question. Appear. A rainbow can appear after it rains. Apply / She decided to apply for the job. Appreciate. I really appreciate your help. Arrange. He will arrange the meeting tomorrow. Arrive. They will arrive at the airport at 6 p.m. Assist. Could you assist me with this task? Attend. She plans to attend the conference. Avoid. Try to avoid making the same mistake again. Basic. Learning the basic rules is important. Benefit. Exercise has many health benefits. Believe / I believe in the importance of education. Borrow. Can I borrow your pen? Build. They plan to build a new school. Busy. She is busy with her work right now. Cancel. They decided to cancel the event. Careful. Be careful when driving in the rain. Carry. Can you help me carry this box? Celebrate. They celebrate their wedding anniversary every year. Choose. You can choose any color you like. Clean. Please clean your room before guests arrive. Close. Close the door quietly. Collect. She likes to collect old coins. Comfortable. This chair is very comfortable. Common. This is a common problem among students. Compare. Let's compare the two options. Complete. Please complete this form. Concentrate. Try to concentrate on your studies. Condition. The car is in excellent condition. Confirm. Can you confirm the appointment? Connect / You can connect your phone to the Wi-Fi. Consider / I will consider your suggestion. Continue. They will continue working on the project. Control. She tries to control her emotions. Cost. The cost of living has increased. Create / They want to create a new website. Cry. The baby started to cry loudly. Cut. Please cut the vegetables for the salad. Dangerous. Driving fast can be dangerous. Decide. She decided to study abroad. Deep. The lake is very deep. Delete. Please delete this file. Deliver. They will deliver the package tomorrow. Demand / There is a high demand for this product. Describe. Can you describe the problem? Design / She likes to design clothes. Destroy. The storm may destroy the crops. Develop. They want to develop a new app. Different. They have different opinions. Difficult. This math problem is difficult. Direct / This is a direct flight to New York. Discover. Scientists aim to discover new treatments. Discuss. We need to discuss this issue further. Distance. The distance between the two cities is 100 kilometers. 100. Divide. Please divide the cake into equal parts. Double / Her salary has almost doubled over the years. Draw. She likes to draw landscapes. Dress / She wore a beautiful dress to the party. Drop / Be careful not to drop the glass. Dry / The clothes are dry now. During. She studied hard during the semester. Each. Each student received a certificate. Early. He wakes up early every morning. Earn. She works hard to earn a good income. Easy. This exercise is easy to do. Edge. Be careful near the edge of the cliff. Education. Education is important for personal growth. Effect. The new law had a positive effect on the community. Effort. He put a lot of effort into his work. Either. You can choose either option. Elderly. The elderly man walks slowly. Electric. They bought an electric car. Emergency. Call this number in case of an emergency. Employee. The company hired a new employee. Empty. The bottle is empty. Energy. She has a lot of energy in the morning. Engine. The car engine needs repair. Enjoy. They enjoy going to the beach. Enough. We have enough food for everyone. Enter. Please enter the room quietly. Entire. She read the entire book in one day. Environment. We need to protect the environment. Equal. All people should have equal rights. Error. There was an error in the report. Escape. The prisoner tried to escape from the jail. Essential. Water is essential for life. Even / She is even taller than her brother. Event. The event was organized by the local community. Example. Can you give me an example? Exchange. They decided to exchange gifts. Excuse. Please excuse me for being late. Experience. She gained a lot of experience during her internship.